How to prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video we will learn how we can prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started. So as of the latest update, Facebook does not offer a direct built-in features that will completely prevent someone from taking screenshots that may be your profile, your post or messages. However, there are some privacy settings and other workaround that you can use to reduce the risk of your content being copied or screenshotted. So the first option is to lock your profile. Facebook Lock is available, so you can use that features to prevent the screenshots on Facebook or your content being copied and shared. So for that, you can open up Facebook in your device. Now to lock your profile, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three dot icon and here tap on lock profile. Confirm it, tap on lock your profile. Now once you have locked your profile, that will prevent non-friends from zooming your post, sharing or downloading your profile and cover photos, and also it will limit post and story visibility and will add a privacy shield. So this is one of the way to prevent your content being shared or screenshot. Now the second option is to restrict who can see your post and story. You can limit who can see your content, which will minimize the risk of being screenshotted. So for the post, while you are posting someone, you can manage the audience, set it to friends, only me or custom, and same with the stories as well. So these are some of the ways that will help you prevent your private content from being screenshotted, while you cannot fully block screenshot as the Facebook does not have a direct option. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.